Okay, Miss Nyla, I'm going to try to teach you how to use the green screen option. So if you are recording in front of the green screen, let's say you already recorded, you've already put it on the iPad, you've already transferred it over. So what you'll do is you'll open up the Movavi video editor. Then you will go and you will add in, let's go to the desktop and grab the video first. So I'm going to go to announcement video clips. I need to record Natalie sharing the lunch. So I'm going to open that green screen picture. Then I'm also going to go into Add Media Files, and I'm going to go to Documents, and I've saved the PowerPoint that you're making as a JPEG file. So I will pick the lunch that I want. So I picked her lunch, and you can see that it's right there. The problem is that there are two separate videos at this point. So what I need to do is I need to take one and lift it up above the other. I'm going to take the green screen one and lift it above the other. Now if I play it from there, what's going to happen is you're going to watch Natalie's video and then the screen's going to disappear, okay, which is kind of weird. It's not what we want. So we need to make this one just as long as the green screen video, okay, so then it'll be there the whole time. Now the problem is that we still have the green screen showing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on this one and I'm going to make Natalie a little bit bigger. Okay, scoot her over a little bit so she's out of the words. I can play more with her in a second. I need to crop this picture because I can see brick and it won't work if I can see brick. So I clicked on the crop button, which is right here. I'm going to shrink it in so it's just Natalie in front of the green, and I'm going to hit apply. Okay? Now, I have to get rid of that green screen. So I'm going to go to this little thing with this little person, and I'm going to say, see it says pick a color to make transparent. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the green and it'll disappear. Okay? So now you can see it's just Natalie. Now she's got some weird shadows going on behind her. So let's see if I adjust this tolerance if it goes away. Nope. Let's see if I make it less tolerant if it goes away. Maybe a little bit. Okay, that's about as good as I'm going to get. So let's double click here again so I can adjust Natalie's size. So I'm going to make her a little bit bigger. I'm going to scoot her over so I can see the words. Okay? And then I'm going to play it and make sure that it ends at about the same time. Okay, so she goes away a little bit after that, so I'm going to make this a little bit longer. The other thing I'm going to do is I think it sounds funny at the beginning because I think you can hear me saying go. So I'm going to shrink the front of the video and bring it down a little bit so you can't hear that happening. And then I'll shrink this as well, match it up. Let's try that again. Perfect. Okay, so then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hit export. And I'm going to save it as, this is Wednesday the 27th, so this is lunch on 9/27. And I've got it set to go to announcement video clip folder. So I'm going to hit start. It's going to save it. Okay, and now I can see that lunch 9/27 is right there. So I can, at the end, when I have all these videos made, like the news, the birthdays, the greeting, I can go splice those all together into one video. Okay, so that's how I would do that.